In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort games by genre on EA Sports. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you open your EA Sports account and log in, you can see we have various categories here of these games. To get specific genres, go ahead and tap on browse here. If you click on browse, now here you can sort your games according to your preferences. For genre, head to the first and you can see we have here genre. If you tap on it, we have various genres that you can choose from. Here we have ranging from action, adventure, horror, indie, puzzle, racing, just to mention but a few. Choose your preferred genres and you can choose as many as you want and you'll have all of them listed here. So that's how you can sort games by genre on EA Sports. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.